738 BMW 5 Series water leak preparation. This car will also undergo a full vehicle fluid and oil service. This video serves as a relatively complete maintenance and repair resource for this generation of the 5 Series. It includes cooling system preparation as well as a major service. 5 Series owners, feel free to like and save this for reference. Before we begin the work, let's take a look at the leak points on this vehicle. Around the thermostat and the oil filter housing base, there is already crystallization left by leaking coolant. There are also water stain marks inside the expansion tank plug. Therefore, these three components need to be replaced. Looking at the front water pump and hoses, there are no signs of leakage. The balance shaft plug also shows no oil seepage, so we don't need to worry about those. Over here, the turbocharger water lines are in normal condition. Thus, we only need to replace the thermostat, the oil filter housing base, and the expansion tank. All right, let's get started.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Start the engine. Put it in gear.